Welcome back to the channel Car Reviewpedia, where we explore the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of mobility. And today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury motorcoaches of the year, the 2026 Renegade XL. If you are passionate about high-end travel, rolling luxury, and serious road presence, this one is going to keep you hooked from start to finish. The 2026 Renegade XL instantly makes a statement even before you step inside. Built on a heavy-duty commercial-grade chassis, this motorcoach is designed for people who want unmatched strength combined with premium comfort. From the outside, the bold front fascia, refined paint schemes, and sleek LED lighting give it a commanding and modern look. This is not just an RV, it is a luxury residence on wheels made for long journeys and elite lifestyles. As we step inside, the first thing you notice is space. The Renegade XL offers an incredibly open interior layout that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. Thanks to multiple slide-outs, the living area expands dramatically, creating wide walkways and generous room to move around. Whether you are traveling solo, as a couple, or with family, this motorcoach never feels cramped. The living room area is designed for relaxation and entertainment. Plush seating with premium upholstery welcomes you in, and the furniture is not only stylish but also built for long-term comfort. Large sofas and recliners are positioned perfectly for enjoying the massive smart TV and surround sound system. Whether you are watching movies, sports, or just unwinding after a long drive, the atmosphere feels cozy yet upscale. Lighting plays a big role in the interior experience, and Renegade has done an excellent job here. Soft LED ambient lighting runs throughout the ceiling and cabinetry, giving the space a warm and modern glow. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, making the interior feel even more open and connected to the outside world. Moving into the kitchen, this is where the Renegade XL truly shines in terms of functionality and luxury. The kitchen is spacious, with solid surface countertops that offer plenty of prep space. High-end appliances, including a residential-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and dishwasher, make cooking on the road feel just like home. Storage is generous, with deep cabinets and drawers designed to hold everything you need for extended trips. The dining area is equally impressive, offering a comfortable setup for meals, work, or casual conversations. Whether it is a booth-style dinette or a freestanding table, the materials feel premium and durable. This is a space where you can enjoy breakfast with a view or sit down for a full dinner after a long day of travel. When it comes to the bedroom, the 2026 Renegade XL delivers hotel-level comfort. The master bedroom features a large king-size bed with a high-quality mattress designed for restful sleep. Surrounding the bed, you will find stylish cabinetry, soft lighting, and ample storage for clothes and personal items. The room feels calm and private, making it the perfect retreat at the end of the day. The bathroom setup is another highlight of this motorcoach. Instead of feeling like a compact RV bathroom, it feels like a luxury home bathroom. You get a spacious shower with glass doors, modern fixtures, and plenty of room to move around. The vanity area offers solid countertops, a stylish sink, and well-designed storage. Everything is laid out for convenience and comfort. One of the standout features of the Renegade XL is its attention to technology. From advanced climate control systems to integrated touch panels, everything is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. You can control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with just a few taps. This makes life on the road smoother and more enjoyable, especially during long trips. Storage is another area where the Renegade XL excels. Both inside and outside, there is no shortage of space. Exterior storage bays are massive and well organized, perfect for tools, outdoor gear, or additional luggage. Inside, clever storage solutions ensure that every inch is used efficiently without cluttering the living space. Driving comfort is just as important as interior luxury, and Renegade has not compromised here. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring premium seats, excellent visibility, and advanced driving assistance features. Long drives feel less tiring, and the overall ride quality is smooth and confident, even on extended journeys. The 2026 Renegade XL is built for people who want to travel without limits. It combines the durability of a commercial vehicle with the comfort of a luxury home. Whether you plan to live full-time on the road, attend events, or take long cross-country trips, this motorcoach is ready to handle it all in style. In summary, the 2026 Renegade XL offers exceptional space, top-tier features, and a level of luxury that few motorcoaches can match. From its expansive living areas to its high-end kitchen, comfortable bedroom, and advanced technology, every detail is crafted to enhance the travel experience. This is more than just transportation, it is a lifestyle upgrade.